Okay, so discussing the content filter, we navigate to beta.openai.com/docs/engines/content filter. That can be found in your logged in OpenAI account, documentation, engines, and then you scroll all the way down to content filter. So it provides documentation which I recommend reading, but just to give you the crux of it, when setting up the content filter, it will give you an output of numbers 0, an output of 0 being that the text is safe. So when you make an API call and it gives a result as the text, if you set up the content filter along with the API call, you will get a 0 as the result of the text, and that's saying the text is safe. 1 will come out of the content filter call if the text is sensitive, and 2 if the text is unsafe. So I recommend reading all of this, but just getting right to it. It tells you how to set up the content filter. So the content filter is actually being set up as a separate API call in and of itself, right? You set the max tokens, the temperature, and the top P. Now, setting the max tokens doesn't necessarily relate to a charge. Is there a cost associated with the usage of the content filter? No. The content filter is free to use. So it doesn't consume credits. So if you're connecting the content filter to a bubble app that you have set up that already has the OpenAI API connected, you just copy this entire thing here and go to the bubble app, whatever the app is. You set up a regular API call by going into plugins and installing the API connector and import another call. All you do is paste this here and then copy and paste your API key there, right? So you copy and paste your API key there. Just replace this entire square bracket, your key, close square bracket, and you would put your API key there. How you get the API key? Just a reminder, documentation, develop a quick start section, and you get your API keys, okay? So once you import that call, it will automatically set up the API request. So I have this body request already set up, and this is just by importing the call from CURL. So I have a text inputted here. So from the documentation, you will see that what you're trying to do is put the result of your API call into this square bracket prompt section. So we set up the API call and we replace that prompt with a text. So this text will be, for example, when you make an API call and get the result would go here, and then it would test what kind of result is it. Is it a safe text, sensitive or unsafe? So let me just run this. I have nice and beautiful there. You want to make use of the choices text. It delivers a 0 result, right? A 0. You want to change this to a number. Once you change it to a number, save. Now, if I change this to an expletive, please forgive me, right? I change that to an expletive, and it delivers a different result. Text 2. So I've changed it to a number, text 2, and you can see that the 0 result is a safe text, and text 2 is unsafe.